Day 1. Letting go of tension. Welcome to this session of deep relaxation. Today, our focus is on releasing physical and mental tension. Find a comfortable position lying down, arms by your sides and legs gently apart. Close your eyes and begin by tuning into the natural rhythm of your breath. As you exhale, let go of any stress or discomfort you may be feeling. Now, bring your awareness to your toes and relax them completely, feeling any tension melt away. Slowly move up to your feet, your ankles, your calves. Allow each part of your body to soften and relax. As you move up to your thighs, hips, and abdomen, feel the weight of your body sinking into the surface beneath you. Continue scanning up to your chest, shoulders, and arms. Let go of any tightness in your jaw and forehead. Your entire body is now in a state of deep relaxation. Now, focus on your breath. With each inhale, draw in peace and calm. With each exhale, release any remaining tension. Imagine your breath like a gentle wave washing over you, calming every part of your being. Now, visualize a gentle breeze passing through your body, carrying away any tension or discomfort. See the breeze moving through your muscles, your mind, your emotions, and as it moves, it leaves behind a sense of lightness, peace, and relaxation. Now, mentally repeat your positive intention for today's session. It could be something like, I release all tension, or I am deeply relaxed. Say it silently in your mind 3 times, allowing it to take root in your subconsciousness. Now, begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Gently wiggle your fingers, your toes, becoming aware of your surroundings. Whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to acknowledge the peace and relaxation you have created. Take your time, there's no hurry. Namaskar.